We're going to talk a little bit about our attitude towards marine life, and I'm Jason, and we have Kathy, and Ashley. And today we're going to talk about the statement, as whales and dolphins have been found to be intelligent creatures. It is proper to train them for the purpose of research or entertainment. We're going to give some opinions on this statement. And this is the overview of what we're going to talk about today. So we'll be having the introduction and main points and then conclusion. And then we will share our reference and work distribution charts, and we will have a Q&A session.
So for the introduction, compared with the past few decades, the popularity of training intelligent sea animals such as whales and dolphins for the purpose of researching or entertainment has been greatly increased. However, this has also raised some concern in respect to whether what we as the most intelligent being on Earth have been doing correctly or not. After several discussions, we have come to a conclusion that training not just mentioned sea animals but all the living beings on Earth should not be encouraged but forbidden. The next speaker will show our point with several examples in the next slide. From several pieces of articles we've read, we can discover that firstly, humans can harm the animal's habitat or environment by doing research or entertainment. Second, since these animals are trained or kept under the name of research or education, they are losing their ability to live in the wild. So this caused a extremely serious problem, because if they are no use for us and are abandoned in the wild, they have no survival abilities. So, love animals.
Okay, so I'll be talking about the conclusion. And okay, first, no matter what kind of animal it is not nice to have them entertain you or be used to do research on. The first, the examples we gave today are about dolphins and whales. Dolphins and whales, they are both intelligent animals, as you can see. And this ability is for them to survive in their natural habitat, but not for us. Not for us humans to use it in the wrong way. Okay, so even though when they entertain us, they look happy, and we also enjoy the show, but turns out they might not be happy. They might be sad, but their emotions, we can't really see through it. So I personally think that these kind of entertainment activities should be lesser. And the research, they could try to use a different way to check. They don't need to really use them, because in future technology, there might be different ways to do researches on these kind of species.
And so this is our reference, and this is our work distribution chart. And any questions? No? Thanks.